Hello students, welcome to Times College of Computers and IT for online classes of MSc Computer Science. This is the first semester of MSc Computer Science and we are started with the paper of programming in C. That is the third paper of MSc Computer Science and now we start the unit 1 of programming in C. In a unit 1 it's a theoretical part. It is defined by the programmings of computers. First, we have to know about that what is program or what is programming. Program is a actual problems which we have to create a solutions in step by step. In a simple language, we can say that the group of instructions which will be executed step by step and give the suitable result is called the programs. In our regular life, we are facing the many problems. We have to try to solve the solutions of the program and sometimes we have do the solutions step by step and then when get the result of the problem. Similarly, in a programming language is also we have created the some instructions in a step by step mode and getting the result, and this process is called the program and programming. Computers provide the many languages for creating a programs. For example, C language, VB.NET, ASP.NET, and many more. Different languages are used for the different process. Step of programmings. In a simple for creating a programs, first it is necessary to know about the what is the problem. First we have to identify the problems, then after we have to analyze the problem. How we can be solve it, what is the solutions of the programs. For that purpose we have designed some codes. These codes are written in some languages. After writing the coding we have testing that it should be a solve the problems or not. Sometimes it should be solved or sometimes it is not. If it is not solving the problem, then we have to debugging it. We have testing it. What is the problem? Why it is not solving the problems? If we get any problems, then we have to be implemented it and modify it. Then after we have to be maintains it. That is the procedure of step of programmings. After problem identifications, analysis, design, coding, testing, implementation and modifications of programs, we have to be compile the programs and it is ready for use. Thank you very much.